Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Raise your hand if you are from my 11 o'clock match. No one is right? Then nice. Okay, now let's start it. What, is my voice is clear only online? Online, okay? Yeah, yeah, good. Okay. For some people, it's not clear. Check it like majority people, they said it clear. I don't know what is the mistake in it. Is it clear now? Is it? Yeah, it it's clear. Okay, doesn't clear. Okay, new English words are coming anyway. First thing we should learn actually is English, sir. Okay, at least we should speak some things. Anyway, how many of you are from BTech? Okay, majority portion will be always that only down. Degree? No, I'm shocked actually. Down. Post graduation, MBS. Why MBS for last? You guys should be first. Good. Any other? HCA. Oh, okay. Postgraduates. Okay. Yeah. Now, everyone focus here. Let me give you my introduction before I start the class. Okay. My name is Prasad. I had 6+ years of experience in training and industry wise. I am a full stack web developer in MERN and main stacks. I currently work in a company named Verizon. Will any one of you know that company? That's great. But actually, it's one of the top 5 in the world product based company. Okay. If you have free time, you can just check it like Verizon in the net. You will find it out. Now, voice is not. Can you call someone once? Just a minute. Hello. Sir, class lo sir. Voice clear out. బ్యాటరీ ఫ్యాన్ ఆపేసి పర్వాలేదు చూద్దాం. What about now online? Is it clear now online? Online, it's clear. Yeah, good. Oh, answers are flooded. Okay, here we are. We are seeing different branches here, right? Like diversity in India. We are so many people. Now, first question, sir. Here, you all came to learn. Do you guys at least know what you learned here? For what course you came, you know that? Raise your hand if you don't know. Be honest. Hey, there will be always one person who just came beside just to see the sir. Who is that? Or just see the class. Anyone? Okay, they won't admit it. Let it be. So here in this course, sir, we will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now, what are these three are used for? Web development. Okay. You guys are going good. First, what is web? Web pages. Collection of web pages. That is websites. Right? Now, did you understand the question, sir? What is web? Let me put it in my words. What is internet? You all will use internet, right? Right or not? Anyone who is not using? No one. Good. Now, what is internet exactly? Hey, come on, see. This is not some science class. You are not school children. When you give exact definition, I will give price, right? What is internet when I am asking? Whatever you know about internet, you can tell. Not everything what you know, guys. Some things, okay? Yeah. I know that what everyone knows because I also know that. Now, now, what is exactly the internet? Now, sir, before going internet, let's go more depth. What is network? Right? Isn't it? We all start with network, sir. Now my system is there. My system has some data. Imagine I have an image. Now that image, I have to send it to another system. How will you send? Through? Okay, internet. If internet is not there, huh? Lab, YouTube, SMS. You have some image in your laptop and you send it by SMS. What is full form SMS? Oh yeah, .net. What is that? No, give me answer, huh? Cable connection. That is good. Come on, boys. Answer. Share me. Bluetooth. Oh, very good. That is good. We used to have Bluetooth, NFS, share it, something. Now, sir, this all comes with one concept called connection. Isn't it, sir? Network means connection. One system can be connected with another system by a wire, or multiple systems will be connected with. For example, if you have one system and you have another system, and both the systems will be connected with one wire, sir. This is how in initial days we used to have. Now one can send, one can receive. Both the ways it can happen through that wire. Now what if I have so many systems and I want communication to happen between all the systems? So now what will happen, sir? I have to give connections, and this will be very big messy structure. Okay. First of all, it's my drawing is messy. Second, the structure itself messy. Now, okay. Paper, pencil, I can draw nicely, not this. Now see here, sir. Now to make all connection in this particular 6 systems is itself difficult, right? If it is wired. Now instead of doing this all, sir, what you can do is you can put one system in the middle and through which you can give all, right or not? Right? This is where your modems comes, your routers comes, or your switches comes. Have you guys ever seen it in your college labs? You will have modems, you will have switch with keys, each one will be plugged. The main shared data will be there. Sir, what if more number of systems are needed? See, this modem is limited. Modem will have sockets, right or not? Max to max, it will have 20, 30. Now, what if I have 100 systems to connect? You will put again another modem, sir. And this modem to this modem, you will have connection. You guys know that, right? You will have multiple modems. Now, this is what people started initially. Now, what if in the world, every system needs to be connected? Anywhere in the world, anyone can able to send from any system to any system. That is the concept of internet, right? Now you can do it, right? Now if I ask you to send it to your friend through internet, you can send it very easily. You can have a link, you can send it through easily. Imagine you are in 1980s. It is just a dream, right? And people will be in like they will be in so much awe, they will be in so much shock. How can you do that? How can one system send it to another system without even connection? So far, sir, in 1960s, in 1960s, US Army, US Army started one project called ARPANET. Okay, just try to understand it. Okay, it's not about much notes and all, because no one will ask you the history, and this is not social class. Okay, now forget about the year, forget about who started and all. The main important thing is they started with the army procedures. For example, in army, the lower cadre people has to send it to the higher cadre people some information, the secret information, right? Now, the secret information earlier people used to have communications with people or pigeons or some other kinds of letters used to be there. Now they have to communicate very remotely. No one should be able to know in middle directly. Okay, from anyone to anyone. They developed one network system called ARPANET. Later, it was developed as in 1990s. It was developed as WWW. What is that? World Wide Web. You know there is one creature called Spider, right? Spider creates web. Have you guys ever seen a spider webs? Spider web means actually they will connect from any one point to end point. It will connect like my message structure which I did. It will connect all the dots. Then it will create a strong bond. Okay, that is why it is called web. Because like the spider web, all systems in the world are connected. Okay, and that is also called internet. Intra means inner. Inter means outer. Internet means throughout the world, the network of networks. Internet means network of. How many of you not had lunch? Come on, guys. At least try to speak. You all have mouth, right? I'm sorry if you are dumb, but speak something. Okay? Good. Now, sir, internet means network of networks. What is happening to majority of the boys? Okay. You say, I will just listen. I will not speak. No, this is not some normal show, right? I will just give you a presentation and you all will see. That's it. Over. You will not. It's not like that. You came here. Max to max 1.5 hour you will stay here, right? After that, you may come tomorrow. You may not come tomorrow. There is no compulsions, right? Interact as much as you can in this 1.5 hour, right? When you do some work, give your 100%. Else you are wasting your time, not mine, because I am giving my time. Clear? Okay. Now, okay, sir. Network of networks came, which is internet, and we understood why it is web. Now, with this web, you know the one who started this WW. Any guess? Tim Berners-Lee. Who is that man? Tim Berners-Lee. Recently, that guy expired anyway. Now, the father of internet, the one who started this WWW. Do you guys know basic founders? Who started Google? Sundar Pichai. He is CEO, ma. The people who laughed did not answer. When you answered it, you can able to laugh. Okay? We have the right to comment on person when we did the act. It is easy to laugh, isn't it? I can, instead of this, I can do a nice stand-up comedy. I can make everyone laugh. It's all about targeting the peoples. But my point is, when you do, anyone who is the founder of Google? Huh? Larry Page. Very good. That's great. Larry Page started with his co-founder. Yeah. And he started from MIT. Now, who started at least? I'm not checking the online answers because Those people have the Google actually, right? We can able to get it. Online also we got so many Sundar Pichais. Very good. Do you guys at least know Sundar Pichai Indian, right? Then why did they mention Google Indian? Now, who started Facebook? Ah, this guy knows it. Everyone knows it. Okay. Who is the founder for Amazon? Jeff? Jeff Bezos. He's one of the richest guy. Who is the founder of Tesla? Elon Musk. Come on, basic tech. So what news you will follow? Not tech, right? Big Boss, right? No. Follow the tech news. Okay? His voice is still breaking, ma. Online. Please slow down a bit. Is it that much fast? No. See, I know that I have an accent like the one. I may go fast. Let me know. I will go repeat it again and again. Okay. So when I speak something, I am ready to repeat it 1,000 times. I don't have the problem. All I want is some interaction from you guys. Okay. And still, whoever wants to sleep can sleep. No problem. Okay. Whoever wants to listen, only listen. Okay. Now, anyway, Tim Berners-Lee guys started his www and everyone started using it. Now, okay. One biggest question, guys. Forget about web development. We will start it anyway. First question, why? You will learn web development, this web development and all before doing websites, right? Okay. You will create nice websites. Imagine I am the employer. Employer means the one who gives jobs. Okay. You are employee, the one who do the job. You know that, right? Employee, right? Now, my question is so simple. Everyone think about it. This question everyone knows. Why should I hire you? You know the web development. You learn from my course or anyone's course. You learn HTML, you learn CSS, you got JS, or you learned Python, or you learned .NET, Java. Here, all are there. Because for everyone, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is mandatory. Now, why should I hire you guys? Think about it. Why you need to develop websites? What is use of website? What is the use of website? Huh? You guys see the websites, right? What is the use? Someone answered it nicely. Advertisements or to provide service. Sir, believe me or not, everything works by something called business. In world, Amazon, for example, Amazon guy gave you a job. He is asking you to build the site nicely. Okay. And you learned everything, HTML, CSS, everything you know. And you built a nice website. And it is not getting a single rupee revenue to him. Will he be happy? So your point is, you have to build something. Imagine always in your mind, you are building some business, right? When you build a site, if that site brings revenue to the employer, if he is convinced that you can bring that revenue by his website, then he will hire you, right? Then what is the point? What is the point of you coming here? Learning the course? What is the point of learning the course? Hey, it's not like you are not like parrot, right? Whatever I say, you will repeat. What is the point of learning a course? To get a job, to earn, right? We are not three idiots, Amir Khan guys. We come here. Oh no, I just came here to learn. What is the point of it? You all will have your own problems, right? You came here, and even though you are getting sleep, you are listening this class because at one day it will be fruitful, and you will get job, you will get money, and you can able to tackle your problems. Always keep in your mind you are struggling for that. You are not just learning HTML. You are not just learning something. You are making your path, okay, to earn. Okay. If after 2 months, course will be completed in 45 days, I will give you the structure, don't worry. But after 2 months, if you still not earning, that means you wasted these 2 months. Okay? Are you getting my point? People will always judge you based on result, not the work, right or not? So always focus on result focused. Okay, now why exactly websites? Websites websites provide information about one's business or service or whatever. Okay. Now it's like the advertisement. Now, if you have, how many of you wants to be entrepreneurs? Do you guys know what is mean by entrepreneurship? Right, your own thing. Raise your hand. How many of you want to be an entrepreneur? Good. So that's the reason you know the Larry Page. Who? Someone raised hand last. Who is that? Good one. So remaining all. Here also someone raised. That is nice. So max to max. Here 170 people are, or 180 people are there offline. See around. 2 people raise hand and they want to make their own thing. The remaining people are like, no, I will learn. Someone will give me 9 to 5 o'clock job. Morning 9 o'clock I will go. 5 o'clock I will come and I will watch the news. Right? Right? That's not we have studied for. Okay? See, I'm not pointing out and I'm not saying you guys to go for entrepreneur and all. No. It is not inspirational one. You can go for whatever you like. But my point is, at least have the spirit of it. Okay? Have that spirit will make you learn. If you are having an advertisement business or entrepreneur, or if you are doing website for someone, sir, the main purpose is it has to give some advertisement, right? Earlier, people used to send pamphlets. The next people used to do it like posters or something, wall paintings, right? The bigger cutouts. Now we have cutouts, flexies, banners, and all, right? Still, brochures exist. But the easiest way is creating one site and sending link. I can send it to lakhs of people. One YouTube video can able to make you earn. Your business, whole business, it can able to advertise, right? So everything works by this internet. So you have to make one site in such a way that it will bring revenue to. Clear, everyone? Any doubts in it till now? No. Now, let me teach you now. First, how internet works. How internet works. High risk for profit. Okay, something. High risk, I think. Now, anyone knows how the internet works? www.google.com you will type now. When you type www.google.com, what will happen? Google website will come now. Do you guys know the difference between website and browser? You guys will see it, right? See, let me show it to you from starting onwards. This is so simple, guys. See, this is all like warm up. How you will do trail match before that. Okay, first you have to know so many things. Now, Google Chrome is a browser, right? Google Chrome is a browser. Sir, your nice decisions can change your life. You know, there is one nice story behind this Google Chrome. In 2008, the Sundar Pichai, whoever told, the Sundar Pichai became the Google's official CEO. You know what was the first thing he did? Before 2008, Google is still popular, but Yahoo is there. You know that? Yeah. Have you guys ever did Yahoo test, right? Yeah. When Google started, Yahoo is the top one. Okay. But 2008, Google is kind of revenue nicely only. The problems came. You know what are the problems? First one, Microsoft. Microsoft is always top company by then. Okay. Microsoft has their own search engine called Bing. You know that? Bing. So Internet Explorer is there. This Google Chrome, this similar picture, I asked Internet Explorer people, put Google as your default search engine. That means if anyone open Internet Search Explorer, obviously first one Google should come. That's what he asked. And they denied it. Then out of the thing, he proposed his own for Google, their own browser. And that decision changed. Now, do you guys use Internet Explorer? No. 90% of the browsers we used to use earlier, all were gone. One single decision. Now Google Chrome only we are using it because of its simplicity and it will directly go to Google. Right? Now this is browser, sir. How many of you know, how many browsers you know? Give me browsers. Oh, just a minute. Voice. Online is my voice is clear, ma? Yeah. Tell me. How many browsers you know? Say guys. Last voice. You don't know use browsers? Tell me your dark browsers also. Mozilla. Firefox. UC browser is for mobiles actually. UC browser, Opera Mini, mostly people use for mobiles. Brave. That's what I'm waiting. Who will tell this Brave and Tor? Brave is for like Brave is a recent browser. We can able to avoid the ad. And you have Tor, right? And you all forgot one important one, right? Edge, Safari. Edge is a default one. Do you guys know Edge? Edge is default in Windows. It is actually Windows recommend you to use Edge, but we never use it anyway. Same way, Internet Explorer died obviously. Now we have for official one iOS Safari. Sir, let me open browser, sir. Now, what exactly this browser contains? Your voice, his voice is still not getting. Online, is it okay, the voice? No. For some people, it's not coming. For some people, it's breaking. That is the problem here. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, where we are? Browser, right? Now, okay, Safari ho gaya. Now, let me open one browser. Voice is not clear. Now, in the meanwhile, you can listen online. There is lot of disturbance. First time I'm hearing my voice is that much disturbance. Anyway, now, sir, if you see in this, let me type mobiles. So I will get mobiles, right? Sir, whatever you are doing it here, browser is not only for internet, guys. Right or not? Do you guys ever watch movies in the browser? Harry, seriously, I'm getting mixed feelings about some voice here. Why they are not speaking? Are they tired? Or they want to sleep? I don't know. Aibama. Okay. Hey, that's what. No, I'm just feeling it like why he answered. I don't know. Now anyway, sir, internet, not Iboma. Normal videos, you will open VLC media, right? You can use it in browser also, right? Did you guys ever open PDFs in the browser? Yes. You can open PDFs, you can open videos, you can even store some passwords and all, right? You can even change your themes. See, I can customize however I want it, and I can able to give nice images to it. I can give nice properties. I can put some, I can change this whole thing like my own image and all, right? Sir, browser is a customizable place where you can use your internet, and at the same time, it has file explorer by default. Okay. Now, let me open browser, sir. Here inside the browser, let me Google.co.in. You know what is Google.co.in? What is Google.co.in? Website, sir. What is this? Google Chrome search engine. Sorry, Google Chrome browser. What is Google Chrome? Browser. What is Google.co.in? Website. Now here inside this Google, you will search something now. This is called search engine. This is called search engine. Do you guys know any search engines? Voice is still breaking. Is it clear now, the voice? Voice, is it clear? No. What about it now, guys? Is it clear or is it still breaking? Yes. For majority, it's disturbance. Is the voice is still actually glitching? Is it still, is the voice is still actually glitching? Is it clear? Yeah, good. Huh. Now it's clear, I think. Okay. Now back, guys. Okay, let's focus here. Now everyone focus it here. It is so simple, sir. Now let's go here. Google Chrome. What is Google Chrome? Google Chrome is a browser, sir. Sir, we have so many browsers, right or not? Yeah, we have browsers like Brave, we have Mozilla, we have Edge, Safari. Now next, google.com is a website, sir. Now next, Google. Actually, what is Google? Google is a search engine. Google is a search engine, sir. Now, what search engines you know other than Google? Yahoo, Bing. Bing is a browser, right? Yeah, Bing is a search engine, right? Now, Yahoo, Bing. How many of you know one thing called DuckDuckGo? Have you ever heard of it? DuckDuckGo will be there. For car browsers, we have a default one, DuckDuckGo. Anyway, sir, nearly 400 search engines are there. You know what is, you know, China don't use Google. They have their own search engine called Baidu. Whole China will use Baidu only because of their secret informations. Now, anyway, let's come to the part. Now, how actually internet works. Now, sir, here, let's get it start. Somewhere, see, I am starting one website. Now, I am just checking in my browser one website. If I type it, www.google.com. The moment you type the www.google.com, sir, it will go from here to, it will go to LSP. LSP means local service provider. For you, you will have some local service provider, right? Like for example, mine Jio will be there, or Act will be there, Airtel will be there, right or not? The local service provider will get. Now, if you have the detailed one, first it will go to your modem. From your modem, whoever supports that modem or whoever supports your device will go to that. Now, local service provider like Jio, like Act. From this local service provider, sir, now I want some data. Initially, in my browser, I will type it. Google.com. Google.com will be stored somewhere, right? We don't know where it is stored. It is stored somewhere. Wherever you search, sir, let's understand this analogy. This will be there every day. Now, this is the first day one session for the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'm just giving you normal how the basic HTML works, basic website works. Now, let me show it to you before this. Client, server. Now, sir, always understand a simple thing called client and server. Client and server. This is called client server model, sir. What it is called? Client server model. So simple. What it is? Client means wherever you search the website. Now, for me, this browser, Google Chrome, in my HP laptop, Google Chrome is the client. Okay? In my website, Google Chrome is the client. Now, from Google Chrome, here, I will just type what I will type it here. www.google.com. Okay. Now in the client, I just typed, sir, www.google.com. Now the moment you type, the client will request. Server means wherever your website is. Somewhere your website will be there, na? Somewhere, some far away. For example, in Norway or somewhere, some website will be hosted. This client will request the server. Client will request the server. So the client will say, somewhere some guy is asking google.com. And the server will respond. What the server will do? Respond. So today is okay, but tomorrow everyone must eat and come. Okay? Don't skip your lunches. Here 90% of the people skip lunch. So no one is speaking only. Now anyway. Now here client requests the server, sir. Server will respond. Server will respond to the client. This is a basic analogy of client server, sir. Client will request, I want a website to the server. And the server will say, okay, this is what your website. What it will respond, you know, it will give you HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. It will give HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files to the client. What is client? My browser, right? My Google Chrome only, na? So in the Google Chrome, it will print. It will print all the website. HTML will be printed, CSS will be printed, and the JavaScript will be printed. You can see the website, right? This is simple, sir. This is just outline. Sir, what actually happen? What actually will happen is this background procedure. Now let me show it to you, the background procedure, sir. Now here, first, the moment you enter, it will go to local service provider. After this local service provider, it will go to the one person will be there. Server, we don't know. Where the server is there, no one knows. From local service provider, it will take something called address, sir. Now, for the boys, whoever, some boys knows it, there is one thing called VPN. How many of you know it? Huh? VPN. Everybody knows, na? Very good. I like that assurance. Now, sir, VPN is actually virtual private network. Everyone knows its full form. What it will do also, you all know. What it will do is, it will take the address. It will change your location. How it will do, you know? First thing, your website, whenever it is searching from local service provider, it has to pass through server. It has to go to the server, right? It has to check where the server is there. To that location it is going. Before it goes to that location, this VPN will stop, and VPN will make you go to some Japan or Germany or some Singapore. And from Singapore, it will target the server. Okay. But anyway, now my VPN is not there. What will happen in my code only? I'm saying it. It will go to someone called as DNS, domain name system. Domain name system. Sir, what is this? Imagine, okay. Now, sir, I have to call you guys. Okay. Imagine I have to call any one of you. Can I remember all your phone numbers? No. No one can, right? Now, what do you have to do then? And if you can't remember people's number, what you will do? Save. Save in contact list. Because human can remember the names. Okay. If I work hard, I may remember most of your names. Right? Now, whenever I want to call, I will just click on their name and I will get their mobile number and I will call. Am I calling the name or am I calling the number? Number. But am I recognizing the number? Remember this. Remember this analogy, sir. Same way, your website will be stored with websites. Websites are stored in internet or in server by IP addresses. By IP address. Internet protocol, one address will be there, sir. Sir, google.co.in or google.com. Google.com will have one website, one server, sir. In that server, google.com will be stored with one IP address. Only if you type that IP address only, you will get that. But can I remember the IP address? No. It is difficult for me to remember the IP address. So that is why IP addresses are like 102 or 0.0.1, 127.0.0.1. Like that 4 will be there, which is IPv4. If 6 are there, IPv6. Sir, we can't remember the IP addresses. But server will know only IP addresses. Server will know only IP addresses. So it will store it like this. This IP address, this website. This IP address, this website. You can't remember them. So that is why, same like how you will use your phone contact list. Similarly, one contact list will be maintained called DNS. In DNS, you will have domain and IP address. You are typing google.com now. This google.com is called domain. First, it will go to DNS. It will ask Google DNS. This guy is checking google.com. What is its IP address? DNS will respond with one IP address. That IP address it will go. Similarly, when I want to call you, first I will ask my contact list. Okay, what is the number of this guy? Then I will call that number, right? Now, DNS will give some IP address, sir. From this IP address, it will go to something called server. Where it will go? Server, sir. Now, inside the server, the moment you go to the server, you will have in the server whole website, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And now this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this server will give to you. You will get from server HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Clear? Any doubts? No. I can see clearly on the faces, Ray, the sleeper. Okay. Now, anyway, let me see some interesting thing now. So now you all observed it, right? Any doubts in it? No. Let's see practically, sir. Let's me open now. Boys, give me one of the famous website you watch. Ah, good. Naukri. Good. Let's go to one website like Naukri, sir. Really, you will watch Naukri daily? No. Everyone knows it. Arey, why this one? No. Let's go here. Naukri. Now, sir, the Naukri is very important. Okay, I will show you some nice websites to you today. Those websites are very, very, very important. Okay. Now, first one, the moment you go to Naukri, sir, here, let me type it. front end, whatever HTML, CSS, these things were actually front end development. Now you are typing it, sir. It is loading. Can you see it? Here, first thing, this page will load. Then next data will come. Sir, that means the moment your page loads, it is going to server and it is asking the HTML, CSS, and the HTML, CSS are coming and it is showing on the screen. Clear? Now, this one here, you can see it, so many are there. Just if you go with not only front end, if you go with just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML developer, HTML developer. If you just check it here, you will have nearly this many options. Let me put it experience 0. 2000 options are there. What is my suggestion is, when you go and check your, sir, always remember, only the people who won't try will say that the market is not there or the jobs are not there. But believe me or not, there are lakhs and lakhs of jobs are there outside for any development. It's not like only HTML I'm saying it. Whatever the course you take, there will be at least one company who will give job in the world. Okay. It is you who have to approach that, right? Now try to apply to all companies. Always check, everyone should check these websites daily. First website is Naukri. Now, how many of you have LinkedIn accounts? Okay, down. How many of you don't know LinkedIn? Okay, you guys should learn it now. There is one website called LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn is a like a you know employee based social media. That means everyone who is working will have their own LinkedIn profile. Based on your LinkedIn profile only, they will able to judge you. Okay, make your LinkedIn profile nice. Now, let me open some site. First site. What you can do? Huh? You guys know this one, Dev2. Have you guys ever heard of it? Have you guys ever heard of communities? Communities, not the caste and religious communities. Huh? Discord, you know? That is, guys. How many of you know Discord? Why only boys? Except one girl. Why? What do you happen with community, guys? Girls? Now, sir, what is this communities means? In online, they will create a community, a group of people who are interested in one particular task or one particular interest, common interest. For example, we all are interested in HTML, right? Now, I will create one, imagine I create one WhatsApp channel. In that, everyone will talk about it, WhatsApp group. We all will talk it, right? Anyone can post, anyone can ask questions. Imagine this type of groups who are there in one website. One website contains groups which can be combined with only related concepts. If you join a group, same like Facebook's. If you go with Facebook, groups will have, right? LinkedIn also groups are there. If you join HTML, only HTML people will be do posts and all. Same like that. There are community based websites, sir. Discord is like it will check with all the things. Discord, Reddit. But one thing is there called Dev. What is that? Dev2. Try to, are you seeing it, everyone? Yeah, that is called dev.2. Dev.2. Sir, create an account, sir. It's like the social media where each one will give their own articles. So you can also, for example, today you learned HTML. You can create an account. You can write a post like how to start HTML file, how to create your first HTML. You can write it. Like this, everyone do that. Every developer. It's like the developers guides. There are two websites, famous ones. My point is, instead of scrolling your Insta pages, scroll this kind of pages. At least you will get some kind of information. Only for 5 to 10 minutes in day. Okay. Now, and then next hash node. Another one is called hash node. What is that? What is that? Boys, what is that? How many of you are from Chaitanya Narayana? Right? No one, seriously? But people are behaving like that. In Chaitanya Narayana, we were like the, slaves. People will say it like when they shout only, sir has to shout, what is that? Then only they will answer it. If they normally ask, they won't answer it. Get up now. Wake up, everyone. Now here, same way, sir, you will have another website called Hashnode. What is that? Hashnode. Like this. At least maintain 1 hour like this or half an hour. Okay. For my happiness. Okay. Now, this Hashnode is there, sir. Here also people will post their articles. You can check it. Okay. Now, along with this Hashnode and dev, what more you can do? Once we started our HTML, I will tell the remaining things. But create the accounts in this both. Okay. It's like you can able to do same every day, one time. 5 minutes or 10 minutes, read like your Insta Reels. Okay. Now, let's start it, sir. Let's go to Amazon. Now, sir, what is actually HTML? What is actually CSS and all? How to create an account? Really? Do I have to teach you guys how to create an account in a social media? I'm 100% sure there won't be a single person who has one mail ID. Raise your hand if you are having only one email ID. You people are the purest form of human beings because no one will maintain one email ID in their life. Right? Everyone will maintain multiple. Even I have. No, it's because I forgot the passwords and I create the new. Okay. Now, sir, if I open Amazon, whatever you see on the structure, sir. Now imagine if someone asks you to create Amazon. Anyway, no one asked you to create Amazon because Amazon created already. Now, here I opened a big one. Sir, this is website, sir. Here one logo is there, sir. One image. Here some text is there. Here one search box is there. Here again some drop down is there. Some drop down. Some text. Some button. Right or not? You can able to divide it like that, right? If I go here, where is this? Go to Netflix. Almost everyone will go to this website daily. Now, if I go to this website, Netflix, see here, sir, what are there? Background one image is there, right? Here one image is there. And here some text is there. One drop down is there. One button is there. Something text is there. And one input is there. Button is there, right? Can you able to see what are there? Everyone can see it, right? The outer structure or the skeleton, whatever you are seeing it, we will build it using HTML. Using HTML. Now, sir, after building it, since this one needs to be red color only. This one needs to be red color only. This one color has to be white. Font color white. And font family, what type of font you want. The styling has to be done, na? Styling will be done with something called CSS. Oh, you know the full forms? Cascading? Okay. What is HTML full form? Let me tell you, in interviews, no one will ask you what is full form of HTML. You know why? Any guess why? Everyone knows the answer. Okay. My point is learn something which no one can able to know it. Because if you do research, you will get it. Now, anyway, that is great. You people already did your research and came to your HTML once. Now, here, sir, did you watch one movie called Robo?
There is one movie named Robo. Rajnikant will be there. Not 2.0, 1.0. Now, in the 1.0, the first version, sir, Rajni, his name is Vasikar. So the Vasi creates one robot which is named as Chitty. There will be three stages. First stage, he will just create a skeleton, sir. The robot will look like the robot is not looking nice, but it's a robot. Okay, that is HTML. It has hands, it has eyes, it has head, and all the things, body. Then later the Vasikar will give all the hands, nice skin, color, all the things. That is called CSS. Now everything looks good. Then the Vasikar will teach us that guy how to dance, how to sing, how to fight, and all. That is JavaScript. So an outer line structure will be given with HTML, sir. Styling will be given with CSS, sir. Functions will be given with. If someone asked me create the Netflix page, yes, I can create exactly using the HTML CSS. But if someone clicks on this button, nothing will happen because HTML CSS will not do anything. Only when it will happen when JavaScript is there. When something JavaScript is there only, it will have some actions. Clear, ma? So these three are related ones. Once you learned all the journey to the JavaScript, then you can able to make a functional one. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Let me tell you in another analogy. Now, sir, what a website contains? Tell me what the website will contain? No, no, no. Web apps, services. Oh, chhod do. Okay. My point is a website will contain what you will see in the websites: text, image. What more? Text, image, drag and drops, buttons, font. Font is like actually text will come fonts only, na? How the text will come? Search. Okay. Yeah, drop downs will be there. Sir, in websites, only two things will be there, sir. You know what are they? First one is data. That means something website will ask you, will show you. It may show you one image. It may show you one video. It may show you some text. It may show you one button. Either it will show you something or it will ask from you something. When you are logging in, it will ask some details. Forms will be there. Either one form will be there or some data will be there. What will be there? Either data will be there or form will be there. Clear? Any website, take anything. Either they will show you some content or they will ask you to enter some content. Do something, right? Now, if you understand how to put data and how to print, how to give the input, that self your journey is over. Is it clear? Is it going fast? Is it going too slow? Is it sleepy? I thought like someone will say at least yes. Now, let me see. There is nothing wrong, like, again, I'm saying it. Just because I'm teaching or just because you came to the class, that doesn't mean your mind always will be ready and 100% focused. We all come from different backgrounds. You all come from different backgrounds. Okay. Make it habitual daily. Okay. Now, the initial classes, the demo classes is not much difficult, ma. If today you learned 20 minutes with full focus, make it 30 minutes full focus tomorrow. Okay. So that by end of demo classes, you will be full focused whole class and you can understand actual classes. Clear? Clear? Yeah. Now, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Let me give you course structure, sir. Course structure. Oh, spelling wrong. Now, okay. someone in the online is so interested in my education background, let me give you all. Okay. I completed my graduation. How many of you are from Andhra? Majority. Very good. Okay. Andhra people will understand. There is a college named LBRC. Okay. No. Mayalapuram, Lakkireddy Balareddy College of Engineering. Okay. It used to be so famous, right? When I used to study in graduation, it's so famous. I did BTech only computer science in LBRCE, and I completed my post graduation in Kakinada JNTU. Okay. I did my master's in computer science only. And after that, I asked to work it for different companies. And now I am staying it in Verizon. Okay. I work in night shifts, US client. So the mornings I came here and teach. Okay. I'm a Marin and mean stack developer. That means every day I work with React, Angular, Node, MongoDB, MySQL, and front end obviously HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These were the technologies I know. I started my development journey with Java developer. Then I shifted into web development. Clear? Anything if you want more, no, then I will tell you separately. Okay? We will have a question and answer session then. Now, means which building? Now, see, sir, HTML, CSS, JavaScript cover. Actually, this course actually covers first HTML. This whole week, sir, until end of this week, we will have demo classes. That means first we will have some foundation, because now you can see the faces. Already they were tied. We can't go to the serious classes now. So slowly let's start it. But by next week onwards, the serious classes will start, sir. First, we will understand HTML, then CSS. In CSS, I will also cover some topic called Bootstrap. Okay. And after Bootstrap, sir, we will discuss JavaScript. Sir, I will discuss the plain JavaScript. That is standard JavaScript. Okay. Angular is not there. People, just I'm telling it. You will learn till JavaScript. Later, you can make your journey more and more by React and Angular. Okay. Now, how much time you will take this for all, sir? I will take it 45 sessions. Not 45 days, Ray. 45 sessions means classes. Thank you. Because later people will ask, after till 20 days, everything will be cool. After 20 days, every day one person will message me, sir, when the course will complete. I am feeling like, what is the urgency? Now he is like, sir, I have to complete the course. So I'm saying it before only. I think if we started it now, by end of the Jan, it will be done. Okay, by the last week of Jan. If you really work and do the projects, I can guarantee you by Feb, you will get the jobs. Okay. And one more thing, you guys are lucky. Not only now this course, sir, you can start any course, whatever you are learning, make your learning fast now only. Because if you can able to complete by Jan ending, you will have a good scope of jobs. Usually market will be good till April. Then again market decline. Then again October and November onwards, again it will be raising. So jobs will mostly hiring will happen till April. Jan to April will be more number of jobs will come. Okay. Even the companies goes to placements and all. At that time, you will have so much scope. Okay. Now, what more? It will take 45 sessions. The whole course structure I will show you. See, again, I'm saying it just now only. No React here. Anyone have any doubts? LPA package. See, sir, this is what my point is. If you go to marriages or something, relatives will ask your packages. Okay, why you guys are so interested in the packages? No, imagine. Let me give you online. Whoever asked it, I'm not pointing it out. Let me tell you in this way. Imagine if I said my package per year is 1 lakh. So that means per month I am getting 10,000. So you will stop listening to my classes? Or if I said it like I'm getting 20 lakh. So you will feel it like, this guy is learning 20 lakh, so you can listen. No, it doesn't matter, isn't it? Right? Sir, understand it. Your package doesn't define you. But at the same time, you should earn. Same way, I started my lessons with you should earn. Okay? Earn in such a way that you can be happy. Okay? Now I am having good package. I don't have any problem with my package, and because my company is one of the top 5 company in the world, and I am the product based full stack developer having 6 years of experience. Do the math in thing, you can able to understand it. Okay, but I don't feel like, don't ask the people's packages, sir. Okay, because I'm just telling you guys because it may be first to you. Why? Because other persons may feel bad that you are judging the other person with that. You may ask me with a different intention. See, student sir is okay. But if you came to your friend, sometime later you will meet your BTech friends. And if you ask the package, it is wrong. Okay? Ask whether that guy is okay or not. Ask whether they are working or not. Okay? And just for the information, I am earning 20 plus lakh per annum. Okay? And it is exactly anyone who has a single experience, 1 month job experience also will understand this. How much package is irritating question. Okay? Don't mind guys because I'm saying this all. Okay? I'm just saying it to you. You may not know this. Okay? It's like the manners. When we meet someone, we will say, how are you now? Same way, we have some manners. Don't ask package questions. Okay? Because you most now no one is having job, right? Only few people may have it. Now, if you go to your relatives, they will ask you the first question, when you will get job, how much irritated it is. Now later, once you get the job, they will ask the same people ask you how much package. And if you get the same package, they will ask you when you will marry. That is different case. So they will not stop annoying you. My point is, don't, you guys are studied and literate people. Stop it. Okay. And any questions regarding your course and all? No. It's like the stand-up comedy to me. Now, okay, let me tell you one more thing. Sir, this is one of the experience and I want you to ask questions now regarding this. Listen. Sir, freshers, the problem is at least one of you will be there who came to the HTML or some other course just because someone said the market is good. Is there anyone like that? Oh, you guys already researched in the market and came. Oh my God. Now see, when I completed my intermediate, I was in a so I was in a rank holder in IIT and all. But still, people said to me, I want to be in Triple E. You know Triple E, right? But someone suggested that CSE is great. Now I don't know. I thought it like maybe it's great. I just joined. The same way it will happen. Now you guys also joined for courses right here, Java or .NET. Someone suggestion. Now, sir, I don't know what is Java is for. I don't know what is Kubernetes for, or I don't know what is this cloud is for, or React is for. Any questions you have, if you want to know of any course in the browsers of anywhere in the Amirpet, in Amirpet browsers, you will see all courses in the world, right? Even the courses which are not there in India. Now, if anyone have any doubts, what is this? You can ask me. Because there won't be much of people who will give you awareness regarding those. Anyone? Sir, what is Angular and React? See, the point is, Angular and React is so simple. I will tell you in 2-3 words. So 2-3 lines, not words. Now, sir, here, whenever you go to Amazon or some websites, if you go to this website, sir, if I'm going to any page, what is happening? Whole page is loading, na? Right or not? Sir, the moment you click on, whole page will load, sir. Because just now only we understand. This whole page, client will request the server will respond to the client. Sir, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, sir. But if you take some React websites, whole page will not load. That is called single page applications. Only whatever the part you want, that part only will be loaded. Now, if I go to, let me go to React website, react.dev only. Now here, if I go to this, see. Now, when I'm clicking on something, is the web page is loading here? See it here? Angular is also used for that only. React also used for that only. Single page applications, majority. So without loading, it will able to bring. So that means it will not ask server every time. Client only will do that. Client rendering will be done. Now both are front end, sir. Front end side. In web development, 3 people will be there. First, front end, back end, database. Back end people only will take care of database also. Okay. Front end people will discuss HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, Vue. These 3 are optional. Any one you can learn actually. Backend, how many backends are there? Oh, so many are there. .NET, PHP, Java. You guys do that, right? C Sharp. Anyone? Python, right? And then they connected to different databases. What are databases? MySQL, SQL, MySQL, and Oracle, same. MongoDB, that's what we use. MongoDB, PostgreSQL, NoSQL. We have so many. Okay. Big data. Those all are in college research topics only will come, not in real time competitive coding. Okay. Sir, Hadoop, big data, IoT, these things last time I heard it in my college MTech projects. Okay. In real time competitive one, sir, you will not get these things. In depth of the topics, it will come. But the point is, here you won't get these things. You are learning competitive coding, sir. Theoretical coding is different from competitive coding. You are understanding how to do this one, how to put button, how to click the button when how it is coming, this only. But if I want to learn how actually system works, how internal connections will happen, then I will go with data structures. Okay, I will go with more and more depth. That is what they will teach in engineering colleges. In depth, they will teach. Any GATE aspirants here? Okay, I know that. Who will come after GATE here? Very good. Now after this course, sir, you can go for aptitude. What about aptitude test, sir? Sir, I can't teach aptitude test here. Okay. jQuery will not cover here. Only Bootstrap will be covered. Okay. But jQuery, I will give you what is basic jQuery and all I will tell you. Don't worry. I don't know about the fees. You can ask the admins. Job opportunity will depend on your skill. How much you do it. See, always job depends on your thing only. For example, let me tell you. Previous batches when I teach, some people got the job in middle of the course itself. Some people got the job after that. And some people still learning another course. Okay. And I am not responsible for anyone, I'm saying. Always I believe it like if you get a job, not because of me. If you don't get a job, that is also not because of me. Everything depends on you, right? I am just a medium. If you want something, you will give me input and I am giving you output and I am giving you answers. That's it. Okay. And if you can grasp it, if you still have doubts, I will explain it again. If you can't use my output, it's your mistake. Okay. I am being blunt, guys. Later, don't blame anyone. Okay. Now, what more? Interview practice and all from my connection. Huh? What is it connection means? Mock interview practice. Okay, I will do. See, last 4 or 5 classes, we will have real-time project. In that project only, I will tell you how to answer the questions in interviews and all. Mock interviews will not be done. It's not like school and colleges. I will like come here. We will have a mock play. No, never. Okay. Any more? Can require very fluent English speaking. Okay, sir. Last question, sir. Raise your hand. If raise your hand means I will ask question, then you should raise your hand. Okay. Now raise your hand if you are from Telugu medium. And I raised my hand because I am from Telugu medium. Okay. And did you guys completed till 10th class your Telugu medium? Great. Those people know that trigonometry, Ganitam, Tribhujam and all. Okay. Because I did it. Now believe me, guys. See, for the people who have the fear in English, I'm just saying it. Okay. Only for the people who are scared of it. If you have one skill that can rock you the world, is your English speaking. Boys, one suggestion, don't watch English movies because to learn English, because we will not only learn English. Okay. That is a different case. And from my experience, that's a different point. Now, see, sir, when I came to intermediate, it was difficult because IIT and everything is English. And I learned social science also in Telugu in 10th class. But English is must and should. Okay. Learn to speak with your friends. Have at least one good friend, Ray, in your community. Okay. You speak your butler English and he speaks his butler English. You correct him, he will correct you. No, I'm saying it, it is true. There is no right English, wrong English. See, for example, my colleagues are there. One guy is there, British accent. I did not even understand a single thing which he says. He is client. And his completely British accent will be there. Something will go. But even the English speaking people, US people will not understand him. Because each and every place, the accent will be different. The way the vocabulary, the accent will go on different way. Okay. We all also, in Telugu also, we have different accents now. Right? In Telangana accent will be different. Kostandhra will be different. Rayalaseema will be different. Same way. So learn normal English. Even if you feel no one will check it in your interviews, your grammar. They will check your confidence. Okay. And speaking skills. Okay, ma? Start from today onwards. First, everyone write your questions like, tell me about yourself. That itself, if you prepare, you will get the interviews. Any other? Tomorrow also there will be demo class. Yes, tomorrow also will be there till Saturday it will be there. That doesn't mean daily this only. We will learn new things. Okay, every day. Any other? Only offline are asking. What about only online are asking. What about offline? No doubts? So you are just waiting. Okay, chhod do yaar, I want to go. Right? I will leave you, Ray. Don't worry. No doubts. All are toppers. So these are the people who don't understand but don't ask the doubt because sir may feel bad. See, in college you never ask doubts. Ask now. Okay? If you get doubts, in case if anyone not able to understand it before, you can ask doubts after everyone leave also. Okay? Online also I will give you chance for unmute ma. You can ask it in case if you can't type it. If someone is from Hindi medium, nahi. हमको भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आता, so नहीं जाता. Because if I speak it, it will be like, tukda tukda Hindi. That will be very bad for you. It's like exact stand-up comedy, even how much try I did. Course duration will be 45 sessions, sir. Yeah. That's it for today. And thank you all. And we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? You can leave, Ray. No problem. Before the end titles comes only, you guys will leave the theater. Yeah, you can leave it. Fees and all, you can talk to admin. If anyone have any doubts, you can ask ma. Online, I'm giving unmute option also. If any doubts, you can mention it. Main class will start by next week.